Today we'll be looking at the Bridge Company directory. Designed as a web interface providing full visibility into an organization's telepresence, the Bridge Company directory offers full search capabilities by name, title, department, etc. See here I'm returning a match on sales. Shows you the user's photo, name, extension, current state, department, title, allows you to call the particular user with your Cisco desk phone, or view details about the user here. Groups similar to those in the operator console are available here as well. Users will have access to all of the global address books, as well as user-created ones and ones they create themselves. They can be managed here. To change to a particular group, simply toggle the group, and then the users on the screen will change. To view details about a user, click the User Details button here. You'll be presented with a button to call their mobile, or send them an email, as well as relevant details about their position, title, manager, etc. Users can also dial numbers with the box here by simply keying in a number and pressing the call button. The company directory is available in both light and dark themes and is easily changed just like this. Users can also redial the last number or select a phone if they're extension mobile users and roam from desk to desk. The Bridge Company directory is available today for $5 a user per month. Thank you for watching this demonstration. And thank you for choosing Bridge Communications, where we are closing the communications gap.